And also, security is a huge problem. So we also it's not just a video transcoding setup that we do, and that's also part of what GNL can provide. We are ISO 27001 certified, and we know very well the security setup that we have and the security products that Akamai, our main partner for content delivery, has. So we have a lot of services that are around zero trust and security around that, so that we really can be as safe as you can probably be. That this is a secure service that is really reliable, and that where we can detect if we are in any way attacked by a bad person, and I think we so far it looks very promising.
Excellent.
Yeah. And the same is true. We gather a lot of information here. It's not like this is the new Netflix. It's not the numbers that you have with the huge OTT platforms. It's a selected audience that watches this content, but still, it's very important to see which parts are interesting. So the need for analytics and for understanding what's going wrong and what's going well is very high as well at the European Parliament. So we gather all this information. We have a lot of dashboards and of alerts and aggregations. So that's very important to the Parliament, and that it's also part of the expertise that we bring to the table.
Yeah. Now, is this your data solution, or are you integrating a commercial? Can you comment about?
Yeah, of course I can. So how we do this is so on the video player side in this project, we're using Bitmovin and Bitmovin Analytics.
Okay.
Bitmovin Analytics then feeds its data into our own hosted Hydrolix database. So we are working with Hydrolix for hosting the database. It's a self-hosted Hydrolix version, so we are currently not using Akamai's traffic peak, but we are running our Hydrolix on Linode on the Akamai Connected Cloud. And then we have, as a partner of Grafana, we are using Grafana Enterprise for the visualization. So it's a combination of partner products, but with a very specific GNL twist here. And we do all the integration and combination.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah, and that also brings me over to how we integrate with now. How we bridge between on-prem and cloud. So I can also talk a bit about that if you'd like.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so you've seen that we already talked about using on-prem encoders with NETINT cards, and that we have cloud interfaces for the whole management plane. But the interesting part is that our partner Akamai is now also providing virtual machines with VPUs with NETINT cards on it, and that allows us to bring this to a whole new level.